What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. If you're seeing this video, I'm currently on a 6-day losing streak, and I'm just recording this to show you guys the pure realities of trading. This is the side that no one will show you, for people who are actually trying, right? I didn't want to make this video either. I really don't want to make this video at all, but I'm going to make it, right? So that way I can look back on it, and that way other people can see it and understand that they're not the only ones that this may be happening to. So, with that being said, today I'm breaking down 3 trades that lost me money. The first one lost me about $136, the second one $177, and the third one, which is today, lost me $180. So we're gonna break down each trade, and I'm gonna tell you why I got in, and then I'll just let you guys see exactly basically why I lost. So today's trade we'll go over first. So today's trade was on TQQQ, as you can see, instantly lost. Instantly lost this trade. I'll show you exactly why I got in. So just like I normally do, mark out 15-minute high, 15-minute low, right? We rejected up here, bounced down here again. When we bounced down here, we found a, let me go on the 5-minute. We're bouncing off of this, right, support area, this liquidity. So we bounced to the upside. We then got a 5-minute candle close above, right, but it wasn't exactly the most bullish. So I waited for another candle close above on the 5-minute time frame, and I saw that we could possibly go up to these highs, take out these highs, and that's all I wanted out of this trade. Zoom into the 2-minute. I'll actually go to TQQQ so I can show you where I got in. We had a pullback initially and then a push, and we started pushing aggressively, so I entered, because since we were pushing aggressively, I thought we could make it very quickly to that next target, and then I could sell out very quickly. But instead what happened was I entered almost at the exact top, and then the next candle took me out. So unfortunately that happened. But overall the market has been kind of difficult to navigate the past, I don't know, the past week, overall. But my strategy has essentially been playing out for the most part, but there's been too wide of swings within the. All right, my bad. I had to let my dog outside. But anyways, essentially the market has been giving us these massive swings, just huge ranges, so it's been much harder to manage a position within these conditions. But with that being said, I'm going to go on to the next trade. That was on SQQQ, and that was not yesterday. I didn't trade yesterday. That was the day before yesterday, and as you can see, the exact same thing happened on SQQQ. I entered at the exact top, and the next few candles instantly stopped me out just before ripping in my direction. So I can show you here on the 5-minute time frame, and we're just going to mark out exactly what I marked out, which was the 15-minute high and 15-minute low. So we have 5, 10, 15, right? We have the 15-minute high, and then down here we have the 15-minute low. We got a 5-minute candle close above the 15-minute high, and that is why I entered. I set stop loss at a 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio. Instantly stopped out. The reason I entered this trade was not only because of the 15-minute orb, right? But also because we were trending down. Well, this is SQQQ, but QQQ would have been trending down. So I was looking for a downside move, and you can see we got that move, but we only got that move after we made a massive swing back to the downside before, back to the downside on SQQQ before moving up. So just the range here over the past couple days is really what's been killing me. So delete this out of here now. And then we have 2 trades here. Technically I took both, but this one was a break even. I literally sold out at break even because it wasn't moving at all. I was like, I'm done. I already lost money on the day. I didn't want to lose anymore, and it wasn't moving how I wanted it to, so I sold out of this one at break even. And then if we go here on SQQQ, I marked out 15-minute high, right? If I can draw it. There we go. 15-minute high, 15-minute low. I got a 5-minute candle close above the 15-minute high. I waited because this is a bearish looking candle. Waited. This is a very bullish looking candle, right? We pushed down, then buyers picked us back up and tried to push us back up. So I entered. Risk to reward, 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio. Boom, stopped out. Like almost instantly, right? Boom, stopped out and then pushes up and almost would have hit my TP, but I guess you could say I probably would have lost this one regardless. But anyways, with that being said, I mean, this is the reality, okay? So if anybody shows you any other video of them just winning all the time, they're probably lying. And you take losses in trading, and I'm just being fully transparent. I've been on literally a 6-day losing streak, but I've kept my composure, and I've taken the same trading plan, right? Day after day after day. And when I look back on it, right, some days it works and some days it doesn't. And it just so happens that the days that I'm taking trades, it is not working. So it's very unfortunate, I'll be honest, and it's very discouraging taking loss after loss after loss. But like I said, this is the side that no one's going to show you. No one is going to show you this side of trading where you're taking loss after loss after loss, and you don't know if you want to do this anymore, and you don't know if you want to keep trading, and you don't know if you're going to be able to essentially mentally take the pressure of just losing money. You don't know if you can financially take the pressure of losing money over and over and over again, right? There's many aspects to it. But if you can just stick to the plan, right? I lost money again today. Boo-hoo. I'm going to go to work and I'm going to make money again. That's my mindset. That's all I have is that mindset. And that's pretty much the only thing that helps at this point in a losing streak, right? I also have some profits, so I'm not completely out of profits from the 6-day losing streak, but I'm sure once I reach that point, or if I reach that point, then it's mentally going to be a little bit tougher as well. But with that being said, hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. Hopefully you guys can learn something from this, apply it to your own trading. But I mean, just have an iron mind and go back every single day and try to break down what went right and what went wrong. And then some days just don't trade. Like that's really the only answer I have. Yeah, just fine tune everything and keep your head up, because I don't even know. I don't even know why I'm saying that, but I am. So I guess just follow what I'm saying. But with that being said, I guess I'll see you guys in the next video.